You're paid to make sure the people in your company are well compensated. Beyond the basics of payroll and benefits, you're called upon to create complex compensation programs that could include bonuses, equity, merit pay, and other multi-factor plans. If you're using a standard payroll and HCM system, it can only go so far. That's where CompXL can give you the flexibility and agility you need to design detailed, multifaceted incentive structures at scale. CompXL combines the flexibility and formula compatibility of Excel with the power and accessibility of the cloud to help you create and manage sophisticated and competitive compensation programs. And with CompXL, you've got the speed and efficiency to cut your comp planning cycle time by up to 75%. So there's less time going back and forth with managers and committees, more time attracting, rewarding, and retaining top talent. The brainpower your organization needs to succeed. With CompXL, you can incentivize without compromise. Find out why so many mid-market and enterprise industry leaders prefer CompXL. Schedule a 10-minute demo today.